Hey everyone, happy Cinco de Mayo. In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a cartoon tortilla chip and a cartoon bowl of salsa dancing. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our dancing chips and salsa, let's begin right here with a little dancing chip. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to come straight across here. Next, let's draw a line that comes up and up. We're going to make the bottom part of our sombrero. Let's draw this line across. Then we're going to make this line come up. We're going to go over and down. Let's draw a little line here and a little line here to make it look kind of 3D. Now for our little tortilla chip, let's draw a line that's going to come down. We'll make another line down here. And we'll draw a line here. For the eyes, let's go ahead and make a circle. And I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. We'll do the same thing here. Let's make a circle, and we'll color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. I'll make a line across for the mouth, and then we're going to go down and up. Make a line here for the teeth, and a line for the tongue, and then we can just color in the rest of this. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come out and then back up here to kind of give it more of like a 3D look. For the legs, let's draw a line that's going to come out and then down here, and we'll just kind of color in a little line for the foot. We'll make this line come down a little bit farther, and then we'll just kind of color this line in for the foot. Now for the arms, let's draw a line that's going to go down and then up here. And then we'll make another line that's going to go down and up here. I want to make a little oval shape on each one. And then I'm going to make a little bit of like a bigger circle shape on here. I'm going to draw a little rectangle shape around each one. Then we're going to put a circle on top of each one, so it looks like a little maraca. Let's make some little lines kind of right around each one, just to make it look like they're shaking it. Now, over here, let's draw a bowl of salsa. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to draw a curve shape like this. I'm going to come down and down, and we're going to curve it across like this. Next, we're going to make a line that's just going to come down and then up here. Now, I'm going to make some of the salsa in here. So I'm going to make just a couple little wiggly lines up and then a couple little wiggly lines up. Then right here, let's make a line across for our little sombrero. We're going to come up, and then we're just going to connect it. Make a line that goes up, over, and down. Draw a line here and a line here. Now, let's give our little bowl of salsa a face. Let's begin by making a circle here. We're going to color in most of it, leaving just a tiny bit white. And we'll do that same thing here. Make a circle, color in most of it, and leave just a tiny bit white. Make a line for the mouth, and we'll go down and up here. We'll do a line for the teeth and a curve for the tongue. And then we'll just color in the rest of this. Now, starting here, let's begin by making a line that's going to come out and then up. And then another line that's going to come out and then up. I'm going to draw a long line out here with a little oval on it for a foot. And a line's going to come down and over with another little oval for a foot. I'm going to make a little hand here, so I'm going to make a little oval, 2, and then 3. And then over here, I'm going to make a little oval shape. Then I'm going to make a skinny little oval shape here. And then we're going to make a little line that curves, a little line that curves, and we're going to connect it. So we can have a little flag there. Then inside of here, I'm just going to make some little squares inside of our salsa, just to make it look like there's some different stuff in here. And I'm just going to put some inside and then some outside as well. And there you go. There is your drawing of a fun little tortilla chip and a bowl of salsa dancing for Cinco de Mayo. Now, I didn't put any designs on the hat yet because I'm just going to color those in with my markers. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.